ever notice how an RV can feel like home right up until Christmas rolls around and suddenly you realize your other home has expectations? Like, hey, buddy, you still alive? You remember where we live? Yeah, that was me this week, leaving Bertie Bea parked at Kickback Ranch and Event Center and rolling home in Rosie like a man on a mission involving family, food, and holiday cheer that may or may not require stretchy pants. Welcome back to Wandering Gypsy RV Life, the podcast. I'm Stan, and if you're new here, I believe RV life is equal parts freedom, problem solving, and occasionally yelling "Why?" into the abyss, usually while holding a flashlight. This episode is about Christmas in the RV life, what it looks like when your home has wheels, but your heart still pulls you back to the people who raised you. Our rolling home is Bertie Bea, and the people are management and assistant management. Because in every family, somebody runs payroll and somebody enforces policy. You know who they are. So grab a cup of something warm and let's talk about the holiday shuffle, leaving the rig behind, and the kind of peace of mind that matters when you're miles away. Christmas in RV life sounds romantic in your head. Twinkle lights, cozy evening, maybe snow falling softly on the roof. Reality sounds more like this. Where am I parked? What's the weather doing? Is everything set so nothing freezes, leaks, or decides to fail dramatically while I'm gone? This year, the plan was simple. Leave Bertie Bea at Kickback Ranch and Event Center and head home in Rosie. But leaving your RV behind feels a lot like leaving a dog with a friend. You trust the place. You know it'll be fine. And yet you still look back 3 times and think, be good. Don't blow a fuse. Don't develop a mysterious leak. I'll be back. RV life teaches you this fast. Your rig is loyal, but it does have opinions. If you've ever left your RV for a few days, you know it's not just park it and go. It's more like, did I lock everything? Is the water off? Is the propane good? Is the power situation solid? Because Christmas is not the time you want a call that starts with, hey, Stan, so your RV is doing a thing. For me, power is the big peace of mind category. Campground power can be great. It can also be unpredictable in ways that don't show themselves until damage is already done. Which brings me to something I hope Santa would bring me this year. The Hughes Power Watchdog 50 amp power station. Now, full honesty, it didn't show up under the tree. What did show up was a note from Santa and some Christmas cash. The note basically said, order it yourself. I trust your judgment. Honestly, that's probably the most accurate Santa I've ever encountered. I like tools that tell me what's happening before it becomes a problem. Voltage issues, wiring faults, surge events. Those things don't announce themselves politely. So while it wasn't wrapped with a bow, peace of mind is officially on order. Then it was time to roll out in Rosie and head home. Switching from RV brain to family holiday brain is a wild shift. RV brain says, where's fuel? What's the weather? Is that a new noise or am I just traumatized? Family brain says, what time are we eating? Who's bringing what? And why does someone treat dinner like it's competitive? but that drive home reminds you of something important. RV life doesn't pull you away from family. If anything, it deepens your appreciation for the moments you get to walk back through that door. Even if the first thing you hear is, "So, you still living in that bus?" Yeah, yes, I am. And I'm happy. Christmas with management and assistant management is like reporting back to headquarters. Assistant management asks if you're eating well. Management asks if you're being careful. Both ask if you're sleeping enough. Somewhere in there, you end up explaining RV maintenance like it's a college course you accidentally enrolled in. And I wouldn't trade it for anything because for all the miles, the breakdown, and the, well, that's new moments, Christmas reminds you why the road matters. It's not just about where you go, it's about who you come back to. And if you're listening to this from somewhere far away this year, I see you. RV life is freedom, but it also comes with choices. Sometimes you're parked somewhere beautiful and still missing home. If that's you, make your space feel a little like Christmas, a light, a call, a good meal, something that says, "I'm here and this matters." Now comes the post Christmas excitement a lot of us feel. The Tampa RV Super Show. New gear, new ideas, and plenty of moments where you ask, "Do I need this?" No. Will it help? Maybe. Will I regret not buying it? Possibly. I don't go for shiny anymore. I go for smart. Tools that solve real problems and earn their place. That's what shows like Tampa are about for me. Education, seeing what's new, learning before you need the solution. RV life isn't about owning everything. It's about owning the right things and knowing how to use them. So that was Christmas in RV life this year for me. Bertie Bea, resting safely at Kickback Ranch and Event Center. Rosie, rolling home like a faithful slave. Management and assistant management, holding court. If you're traveling, take it slow. Check your power. Trust your instinct. Don't let the calendar rush you into bad decisions. Thanks for riding along with me today. If you've enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and share it with a fellow wanderer. That's how this campfire keeps growing. You can find more stories, photos, videos, and all things Wandering Gypsy over at wanderinggypsyrvlife.com. And if you'd like some behind the scenes extras, including that special video with Ned Ledoux, head over to Patreon and join my Wandering Gypsy RV Life Campfire Circle. That's where the deeper stories and bonus content live. Before I sign off, I want to give a quick shout out to a few folks who help keep this podcast rolling. First up, Techno RV. They've been my go-to for RV gear, from water filtration and electrical upgrades to safety tech, GPS, and everything in between. You can check out the products I trust using my affiliate link at technorv.com. Trust me, they'll help you adventure more and worry less. To my Patreon community, you're the heart of the Wandering Gypsy RV Life Campfire Circle. Your support keeps the wheels turning and the stories coming. If you want video episodes, bonus stories, and behind the scenes content, I'd love to have you join us. And finally, a shout out to my good friend, Doug Simcox, and his podcast, Beyond the Chutes. If you love rodeo history, cowboy storytelling, and the legends of the arena. You need to give it a listen. Doug brings the past to life in a way that makes you feel like you're standing right there behind the bucking chutes. Until next time, keep your rig rolling smooth, keep your coffee hot, and remember, sometimes the best roads are the ones the GPS won't even show you. And not all who wander are lost.